for a 4-day cruise, it's pretty simple. Got one formal dress, one, it's kind of a 3/4 sleeve sweater that it's very comfortable to wear over pretty much anything. 2 long sleeve sweaters. It seems like it's maybe a little bit cold. I saw a little bit on the weather. Always check the weather. 1 pair of pajamas, 1 bathing suit cover-up, 2 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of long leggings. I'm wearing jeans, and then I'll have 1 other shirt that I'm wearing to get on the ship, so I'll have 1 pair of jeans. 2 t-shirts, 2 tank tops, some underwear, socks, and my bathing suit are in the packing cube already. I'm taking 1 pair of flip-flops, which I pretty much am gonna wear with my formal dress. I mean, why take more? And then I'll wear on my walking tennis shoes that I want to wear for the week. And they're just some simple Converse. Some simple Converse. These. So as you can see, I pretty much always stay with the black, blue, gray, white. It's a good theme. This is the only thing else extra that I have, is just this green, this olive green, which I kind of like. It's a very slouchy, comfy type shirt. If I could find more in different colors like this, I would get some. So that's why I'm taking that. And that's it. So let's get this packed. Okay, because I heard it may rain, I'm throwing in my raincoat. It's very, very thin, it packs very flat, so it's a good thing to take as a just-in-case item. There we go. So record right there, you see it? It says REC.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I gotta adjust it. Okay. Alright, so it's recording. And so there's a microphone right here. So it's definitely not going to fit my camera bag, but that's okay. This is a pretty nice strap, and I think I'll be fine. I think what I'm going to do is maybe attach it somewhere, maybe onto the strap or something. I'll figure it out.